Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use Streamyard on Facebook to go live. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. All right guys, so this is the back end of Streamyard. I am logged in. I'll give you an overview of everything. From like, this thing is so user friendly, so freaking easy to use. All right. As you can see right here, up and coming broadcasts. I'm logged in already. I can create a broadcast right here. And these are already linked to pretty much all of Facebook and then my YouTube channel. And literally it's just one click. Title, put your title, description, and then you can schedule out. This is pretty cool because you can add like a custom, gives you the you can add a custom thumbnail image right here if you want to. And then you can schedule out here and yeah, boom. And then it goes live and it says going live and it gets a notification on Facebook when it's going live. This is to my Facebook fan page. And then you can go like live from anything from like your fan pages, your personal Facebook, Facebook groups. And of course you have like YouTube. I have a connector right here and that'll be a whole different video. But this is freaking user friendly, so easy. And then like when you have like recordings like on past like live events, or you're doing interviews on your channel like I do, or anything that you did live on Facebook, you can come over here and then you can just download the recording, so you have access to all this too. And then like the destination is very easy to hook up. So I would come over here, add a destination, and then look at literally Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook profile, and LinkedIn. Like, you know, there's more: LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitch, all that other stuff. And it's literally that easy. So let me show you one. Let me come over here into Facebook testing for YouTube, right? This is the title. Oh, YouTube. All right, so testing for YouTube, and just copy, paste, and then like I can schedule this out later. And of course, I'll probably just go back and delete this. Let's say today, let's say 12:30 or whatever. Let's say 11, 20 minutes from now, a.m. All right, create. So it's creating, boom, boom. Now it's scheduled out, right? So from 20 minutes from, or 19 minutes from now. And then you want to, let's say you want to come in here, you're going to enter the broadcast, right? You go in. As you enter the broadcast, it's showing live up on Facebook, and I'll show you right now. All right, so it's going to show me the audio and stuff, not the video, because I'm recording this video with you guys. It won't pop up because I'm using the webcam on the other browser. So as I'm recording this video for you guys, so I'm going to enter broadcast, right? And then as I enter the broadcast, come over here. Let's do RJ. So as I enter the broadcast, you're going to see down below right here, the stream right here. When people join, you can add them into the stream. See that? See, now I'm added to the stream, then I can remove myself. And then they have like different templates of the layout as you're doing the lives, and this is really cool. As far as everything else, you have your basic settings to set up everything. They have a green screen back here, and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Your guest, audio, help making sure that all this is connected correctly before you start is important. Camera, all the general settings, all that stuff. Oh, I need to put that out. Oh, upgrade to the I need to fix this. I need to upgrade to the higher end plan. I have like the medium plan right now. But as far as everything, you'll see all your live comments come in right here. This is really cool because it's all right here in one place. And then you come over here to banners. You can literally create testing for YouTube, right? You can create some pretty cool stuff like add a banner, right? And then it kind of turns into like a little ticker on the bottom. That's really cool. And then you can just create one without the ticker, just like hello. I'm gonna just do that. Add banner. I didn't check that part. And let's look at. You can literally switch from. Oh, take this one off. Boom. Boom. See, hello. You know what I mean? And then the banner on the bottom, like, and then you see that one right there. So really cool. And then as I go down, branding, you can add all kinds of cool stuff, from the coloring to like the theme right here. Like you can switch the name, see that? But I always do, you know. And then like you can add your own personal logo in here. You can see up here for branding purposes. And then you can add like a little overlay if you like. That's really cool, custom overlay. And then like video clips, little countdown timer. That's really awesome. And then like different backgrounds if you like. I don't have that right there, but You can add like a different background in here, which is really cool. And then like everyone in here, this is a private chat, and you can see up here too the scheduled timer right there. I just see that right there. It's a little countdown, right, when I'm gonna go live. There's people probably waiting for me over there, but you can type something in right here like your audio's not working. All right, and then as you go down, you have some more settings in here, and the same settings that I showed you already down here. But yeah, you can just mute from here too as well. So, you know what I mean? And then you can screen share. Really cool. So I'll share that. You can screen share. Say if you want to just hop on here. See, I'm sharing my screen right now. Let's go over to Facebook. Boom. And then you'll see that the schedule live is right here. Testing for YouTube. Right here, you can see scheduled to go live right here. So it's on my fan page already. So that's really cool, right? So yeah, and then so I just want to stop sharing. Stop sharing. Boom. That's it. And then come back over here. Boom. And then usually the video will be right here. But since I'm recording right now, and you guys can see me, I'm recording. This is not popping up. But if I stop recording, I would actually pop up right here. So that's a really awesome tool for you to use. And it's really user friendly, not confusing at all. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out my other videos here.